Google just launched Flow, and it's changing how creators make videos and images forever. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to use it for your business, step by step. Google Flow is a creative studio combining video generation, image creation, and custom AI tools in one platform. It's designed for creators, freelancers, and small businesses who need professional quality content fast. Unlike competitors, Flow integrates seamlessly with Google's ecosystem, making it incredibly accessible. Perfect for YouTube thumbnails, social media reels, product demos, and marketing materials, product demos, and marketing with your Google account. The dashboard is intuitive official Flow website and login with your Google account. The dashboard is intuitive 3 main sections: Video Studio, Image Studio, and Custom Tools. Select your tool based on your project. Naturally Studio and the interface uses simple prompts, describe what you want, set parameters like duration or style, and Flow handles the rest. No technical skills required. I'm creating a product demo video in 30 seconds. Type your prompt, animated product showcase, modern aesthetic, click generate, Flow renders in minutes. For images, same process, describe your vision, choose dimensions, select style. Results are instantly downloadable. Quality rivals premium tools costing hundreds monthly. Customization options include aspect ratios, color palettes, and animation styles. Use Flow for YouTube thumbnails, faceless content, course materials, and client work. Batch create content weekly to save time. Export in multiple formats for different platforms. As a freelancer, offer AI-powered design services charging premium rates. Offer AI-powered design. Small businesses can replace expensive video editors entirely. Stack these assets into profitable content systems. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for daily iTool reviews, and comment which content type you're creating first.